Am I the a-hole for making my stepsister seem uneducated? So I, 21F, am currently staying with my family on my dad's side. My stepsister is 19. We never got along. I grew up in Korea and have a Korean name. I won't say it here, but it's the same as a Blackpink member. Not too hard to pronounce, especially after 7 years of being my stepsister, but she always gets it wrong to a point that it seems on purpose. The rest of the family gets it right, except for my little sister, but she is 3 LOL. I speak 5 languages in total. My stepbrother speaks 3. My stepsister never wanted to learn, even though she had the chance. Anyway, I am tired of her never getting my name right. We were in a small reunion yesterday, all safe, and she kept mispronouncing it. At one point, I mispronounced a word, and my sister made fun of it in front of everyone, making everyone laugh at me. I was tired. I wasn't feeling well, and wanted to just go home. I told her that I was sorry about mispronouncing a word in one of the 5 languages I speak, while she only speaks English and can't ever get a Korean name right. My stepmom was furious, and oh god, if there was trouble when I got home. Everyone is mad at me for making my stepsis seem uneducated in public.